Little morning espresso today. Good morning, day 2 officially now. I slept really great last night. Got up a couple times, but just to go to the bathroom. But otherwise, yeah, that last log probably burned off at like 2 or 3 in the morning, but I had 2 sleeping bags, so I was good to go. Didn't hear much under the cabin, so that's a good sign. Not too much animal wise getting underneath there. It was pretty cold last night. It still is. It's about 42 degrees, a little nippy, but nothing a little direct sunlight and hot espresso can't help remedy. Real smooth. Those espresso makers really are nice. I think it was $10. It's an old school one. I know they have modern ones with more like pressure adjustments and stuff like that, but this thing's nice and simple. Doesn't look very pretty, but it's lasted me a while. Today I got to run into town and get a few things. I gotta get my water up online. I haven't tested that out yet. Something with our solar still is not working right, so I'm gonna bring the batteries into town, get those charged up, and yeah, maybe delve into some projects, but I might just scope out around here too, see what's new. So we'll see what the day brings. This is back behind the cabin here, and we have a huge quantity of beauty berries. These things are all over the place. So I gotta do some research on them. I did a little bit, brief. Said you can make like a tea out of them, and you can make some other things out of them, but these things are all over the place. They're as tall as 10 feet. They've crossed our driveway even over here. So I don't know if it's like an infestation, if it's a okay thing, but they have completely run amok back here. They're taking over. Okay, so today I've got another little project here. There's a nice little lake here in town, so I've done some fishing there and hung out in a hammock and done some reading and so on, but never actually gotten on the water. I'd like to get on the water hopefully this trip, so I hope to pick up a used kayak, and I'm just I don't have a roof rack on my car, as you can see, and I'm not that picky about the way things look as long as they operate fine and do the trick. So I've got 4 ratchet straps 10 feet long a piece. There's 2 more over there, but I got 2 right here. Those were about 10 or 11 bucks for the 4-pack. Got 2 pretty thick pool noodles, and they're out of season, but I found a couple at my local Lowe's here. They're about 4 bucks a piece, so we'll have about 18 bucks into the whole system here. So I'm going to take these ratchet straps and shove them through these. Actually, first I'm going to measure the pool noodles, see how much I need here. I'm going to cut them off a little bit. Yeah, about that length. Cut about 6 or 8 inches off for my car. Now we're going to try to shove these straps down through here. Could be a little tricky. I got a broom here too, just in case, but looks like these straps will be just thin enough to get through. There we go. Out the other side. Let's see how this looks here. Good enough. Guess I won't need that. So I got my old crap bars on the front and back of the car. These will fit right over that. These hooks. So go like so. Check the other side. there you have it. It's not the prettiest thing, but it'll do the trick. We'll give it a trial run here as long as I can find a kayak, and we should be good. So I picked up some Luan, I believe it's pronounced, some Luan from Home Depot. These are 2x4 foot panels. They're not too bad of a price considering the way things are these days. And each of my ceiling areas is 2x6, so that should work out pretty nice. Yeah, those are 2x6, so I got these, and then I'll just pick up some extras and cut them in half, finish off the tops of each. That's in the cards for tomorrow. As far as tonight goes, it looks like it's gonna be another cold one tonight, so almost freezing. About 32 degrees is the low. So I'm gonna try to get another fire going here. Got one trusty fire block. Remnants of last night here. We got some nice kindling here, so. Beautiful. It's a beauty tonight. It's still about 60 degrees, so it's pretty nice now, although the sun is starting to hide behind the tall trees here. We got a fire going in the cabin and a fire going here, so I think we got about 1 hour of sunlight yet. Really enjoying the day today. Got a few little things done. And just, yeah, picked up some wood to start some trials on the ceiling. Some Luan, I believe it's called, pronounced. So we're gonna give that a try tomorrow. Got a loaded gun here, just in case possums and armadillos come out. And yeah, gonna make up some chicken and have a nice night out here. Might try to make some progress with something in the cabin tonight, maybe electrical or something, but we'll see how the night plays out. So I got some chicken on here, a couple chicken breasts, organic, and then I got me some broccoli and pepper cut up. Just gonna throw that in. Actually, I'm gonna give this chicken a little bit, but in the meantime, I got some freshly ground pepper. Excellent. I'll let that simmer for a little while and then throw in the veggies. Time to get these veggies in here. Also add a little olive oil. First flip the chicken. Also got some Italian seasoning here. Thyme, oregano, marjoram, basil, rosemary, and sage. So a little more olive oil. And we are cooking. Okay, so this is looking and smelling awesome. I'm going to call it good. Mix it all together. Very nice. The moment I have been waiting for today. Food. Awesome campfire meals. Alright, let's try this out. Chicken looks marvelous. And tastes marvelous. Broccoli's done. Has just a little bit of crunch to it. Perfect. It's been another lovely day, but I am tired and about to hit the hay. So until tomorrow, good night.